Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will show a cart items on a cart page in our React.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, a cart component in our React.js application. So I'm going to create a use state for a cart items and order. So let me duplicate this, update the use state name that we have cart items, and it will be a set cart items. Let me initialize this with an empty array. After that, I'm going to create a use state for an order, and it will be a set order. As you can see, the function that we have, fetch cart by user. Inside this function, we have a try block. Inside the try block, we have the if condition. Inside this, let me call the use state that we have, set order. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here response.data. After that, let me call it the use state that we have, set cart items. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here response.data.cart item. After setting these, I'm going to update the return statement. So here I'm going to add the condition where we have to check the length of the cart items. So let me call it the use state that we have cart items and the JavaScript function that we have length. If a length greater than 0, then we have to show a box. Otherwise, we have to show here the box tag where we have a text, nothing to see here. Inside the else condition, I'm going to add the box tag. So as you can see, a box tag. Inside this, we have a typography tag with the caption, nothing to see here. Inside a if block, let me add here the box tag where we have to show the amount of an order. So as you can see, the use state that we have order. From order, we have to get an amount. Let me import box, grid, and the typography tags. With an amount, we have to show a cart item box. So here, I'm going to add the tag for a box. Before adding that, let me add here React fragment. Let me shift this box tag inside the React fragment. Here, I'm going to add the tags for a box and grid. Inside this grid, we have the loop functionality on the cart item use state. As you can see, the use state that we have cart items. On this, we have a JS function map. Inside this, we have a predicate item. So here we have a grid tag. Inside this, we have to show the details of the books where we have a image, name, and the price. So first I'm going to add the tag for a grid. Inside this, we have a tag for an item. On the item tag, we have a property key with the value item.book._id that we'll use to make this item unique. Inside this item tag, we have a tag for an img. On this tag, we have a property src with the value item.book.image URL. After the img, we have to show name and the price of a book. So as you can see, a typography tag where we have a caption name with the value of the name that we have item.book.title. After a name, let me show here the price. So as you can see, a typography tag with the caption price that we have item.book.price. Let's go to a customer dashboard component. From this component, I'm going to copy the styling properties, item, and img tags. Let me add inside a cart component. After that, let me copy the backdrop tag from a customer dashboard component. So let me copy this. Let me add inside a cart component. Import the backdrop and the circular progress tag. As you can see, the property that we have open on a backdrop tag. On this property, we are checking the loading value. If loading has true, then we have to show a loader on the screen. Now you can take a look of a cart component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the errors we got, styled and the paper is not defined. Let me import these from material UI. Let me import here paper. After that, I'm going to copy the import from a customer dashboard component that we have styled. Let me add inside a cart component. As you can see, a cart page. On this page, we are getting a cart items. After cart items, we can see a total amount of an order. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.